Have you ever seen the Fjallraven Kanken line and thought, I need something a little more professional looking? That's exactly what the Model S backpack by HURU offers, a classy alternative with some sneaky carry features. But is it good enough to stand out? Here's my experience after a few weeks of use. The Model S really does share a similar design, size, color options, and price with the Kanken 13-inch. And I mention it because everyone watching probably owns or has seen a Kanken bag. They're just so popular, so it should help you imagine what the pack's like in person. Starting with the straps, they don't look like much, but they do have some tricks. The straps have no padding and are a little narrow at the top, as expected from a small bag, and I wouldn't recommend hiking with this. Adjusting the length is quick and easy with the metal hardware. And the back panel has a large padded strip that provides comfort and protects your back from the items you're carrying. It also has a little sleeve here. So the Model S actually has 3 carry options. The first is backpack mode, which you have here, and it's the one I use the most. Second is crossbody carry, which you do by tucking one strap and extending the other. And I like this because it gave me the option of right or left shoulder carry, whereas many other sling bags make that choice for you. And the third is to hide both straps and go hand carry tote mode. The top straps are also on the Kanken, so clearly some people like it, but I just found myself being a little frustrated by needing to button and unbutton the straps every time I needed to access the zipper. Eventually, I just gave up and left the straps open all the time, but that's just me. A city bag can be a fashion accessory as much as a functional item, so I found myself using all 3 carry modes depending on the occasion. It's a nice switch up that gives the illusion of owning 3 different bags. The Model S is made from Cordura. It's high quality, durable, water repellent. I mean, you know what you're getting with Cordura. And speaking of material, all the hardware is metal and there are some leather accents, all supporting the classier design. We have a bottle pocket on each side that's best for just normal water bottles. You can maybe squeeze a small hydro flask in it, but don't expect much more. On the other side, there are 2 pockets, all with the sealed zipper tracks that keep water out. I wish this bottom one did have a key clip though. The top pocket can be opened from both sides because of that crossbody carry, so whether you choose right or left shoulder carry, you'll always have a pocket facing upright when you need it. Again, it's the small design details that make a great bag. Opening up the main compartment, the zippers go all the way down so the bag basically can lay flat when it's open. On larger travel bags, I love this as it makes packing easy, but on something this small, it's not really necessary. Luckily, the zippers don't pull apart very easy. Somehow, the zippers catch if you try to pull the pack apart, but run smooth when you need them, so kinda cool. I was afraid the bag would open too far by accident, but that never happened. Inside, we have an unpadded 13-inch laptop sleeve and smaller sleeve with a false bottom. And the point of that is to elevate the pocket from the bottom of the bag to protect it from drops. There's also this leather patch, which says that HURU, probably mispronouncing that. In Swahili, HURU means freedom. Freedom to live, freedom to choose, freedom to express yourself, etc. And on this side of the pack, we have 2 hidden zip pockets. Okay, so who is this bag for? So far, I've said mostly good things about this bag, and it is a great bag. It's just not for me. The minor issue I ran into is size. At 16 liters, I expected the bag to be physically larger and built for an adult male, but that's just not the case. I mean, the Air City pack I just reviewed was only 14 liters, but it had way larger dimensions. I'm 5'10" and pretty slim, and this Model S just feels a little small in backpack mode. It functions much better as a crossbody or tote. I loved everything about the design, but I think it's perfectly sized for women or children, which is why my wife now uses the bag and loves it. HURU, if you're watching, a larger size with more padded straps would be amazing. But overall, the Model S backpack combines high quality materials with carry options that I've never seen before. And it's perfect for smaller people to take around the city and to the office, or just to stand out amongst all the Fjallraven bags. Anyways, Comment below if you want a response, and subscribe for more everyday gear content. Thanks.